Welcome back, ladies. Today you are going to become divine detox diet goddesses. Christine here with day 6 of our Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to make a 3-day divine detox diet plan. I want to teach you about my detox diet food formula that I've developed to help you do a proper fruit and veggie menu plan. I'm also going to share how you can learn more about my complete Divine Detox Diet ebook, which includes everything you need for a more successful detox diet. Today is another action step day. So today you're going to make a simple 3-day Divine Detox Diet plan. And once you make your plan, I encourage you to commit to sticking with it for 3 days this week. If you want to rinse and repeat it again, that's great, but just challenge yourself to do 3 days first, okay? And as you are creating and following your diet plan, make sure you keep in mind the foods and behaviors you have committed to eliminate and incorporate this week. This will be a great way to really integrate these new commitments into your detox diet and lifestyle. So again, I have a simple but awesome handout for you. It includes that detox food formula I mentioned and a simple 3-day detox diet template you can fill in to make your diet plan. You can find that handout link in this post. So after this video, you can go download that, read it over, and then fill in that detox diet template that I've provided for you. Just read through the food formula. I know some of you have already seen or even used this before, but it's very important to learn what and how to eat throughout the day so you make sure you understand how it works before you make your 3-day diet plan. And if you have questions, make sure to ask them in the Facebook group because I want to make sure that you're successful with this. I have been successful with this method, and hundreds of women in my Divine Detox community have been using it successfully as well. So make sure to put that 3-day Divine Detox Diet Plan in writing on the template in the handout, and then come to the Facebook group and let us know how that's going for you. All right, before I conclude this video, I mentioned I would share with you a little about my complete Divine Detox Diet ebook and how that could help you even more to rock your detox. If you would like access to my complete Divine Detox Diet ebook with delicious sample recipes and done-for-you sample menu plans, you will find them inside my membership group. When you join my Divine Detox membership for women only, the Divine Detox Diet is the main focus. The Divine Detox membership also includes my unique Divine Detox Success Path program. This is a step-by-step success system to get better detox results and achieve radiant health easier and faster. And you'll be part of a supportive Facebook group community of women all walking the detox and healing path with you. Detox goddesses, I so much want to see you have the best tools and resources possible to help you on your detox and healing journey. And that's what I've created inside the Detox membership. And right now, I'm offering a 5-day trial for only $1. What that means is that you can join the membership and come on in and take a look around and see if it's for you for 5 whole days. If you absolutely love it, then you'll continue automatically with the monthly fee. If it's not for you, you can cancel. Fair enough? Because I really want you to see what's inside that can help you walk the Divine Detox Success Path all the way to radiant health. And just like this Rock Your Detox challenge, you'll be with your sisters, you'll have my ongoing support, and you won't be doing the detox all alone anymore. So if this resonates with you, I've included information and a link to the sign-up page in this post and in today's handout. I truly hope you'll join us because we're going to continue rocking the detox in the membership group. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to teach you my #1 tip on how to deal with emotional and social saboteurs. So stay tuned for tomorrow's final video, goddesses. And because I really do care, I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.